think bikers get bad names? Because we're free. We do what the hell we want. Look at the girls we got. You know, let's see them get get girls like that. You know what I mean? Like what the hell? We party every fucking day. You know, we love each other like this. They're jealous of that. They envy that. They envy the love we have for our brothers. They don't understand that. They don't believe that two human beings of the same sex. They love each other, like that. They don't believe that. They think that everything should be the way the capitalist world. Like each other.
Whiskey bottles and brand new cars. Oak tree, you're in my way. There's too much coke and too much smoke.